Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox Microsoft Surface Go 2. Okay, so this is a 10-inch display over here. So I already opened the plastic on the other side, so we can take it off. Okay, sometimes the sticker is a little bit different, so this one has this is 8 Gen M3, so it's kind of like i3, 128 gig SSD and 8 gig RAM. So this one is not the worst. This one is kind of good. So let's just. It'll be much better than the cheapest ones that come with Pentium and 4 gig RAM. Okay, so this is how it looks. Side. Here we have manual. This one is the LTE version. Okay. Here we have a charger. Charger like this. Okay, let's take a quick look at this. So this one with the SIM. Okay. Opens. The screen, we have front camera. On the side, like this. Stand like this. Like this. I really like this thing. So you don't have to have any cover or anything like you have with the with the iPads. And your volume buttons pretty big. Turn off, turn on. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching.